What's up guys, this is Pandan Mukesh and welcome to another video, and today I'll be talking about the Game Week 2 team selection. So the Game Week 1 has been pretty underwhelming for me. Never thought that I would send 88 points Game Week underwhelming, but the Game Week was kind of that because most of the big guns scored, including Bruno Fernandes, whom I didn't have. I've got him now, but I didn't had him in the previous game week. So just let me make a brief review of the previous game week. I got Sanchez in goal with a 2-pointer. Definitely not a good game week, but Sanchez, at least for 4.5 million goalkeeper, it's not actually a blunder of a performance. In defense, Alexander-Arnold and Tsimikas both gave clean sheets, getting 6-pointers. Shaw, it was an underwhelming performance from Shaw as well with just 1 point, and Ben White had an absolute disaster of a performance against Brentford, so 1 point for that as well. The West Ham boys put a great show. Benrahma giving 12 points and Antonio giving 13 points. Salah being my captain, returning 34 points. Tony blanking and Rafinha missing an absolute sitter. But at last it was a nice one from Sonny yet again versus Man City, giving 10 points. And that was probably the biggest positive in this game week as well. Kane not starting the game. Gilmore giving 2 points. Johnson with a 1 point. And Foster, of course, not starting. So this is how my team performed in the previous game week, and right now it's looking more likely that Kane will be staying at Spurs. So don't get me wrong, Kane's still a great option at Spurs, but not at this moment, because at this moment Man United have got better fixtures than Spurs. I know Spurs overall. So I'm probably going to get Bruno Fernandes in right now, and I'll probably look at Harry Kane near game week 11 or 12. So let's get to my team for this game week. This game week For this game week, my team has been a little different. I made 2 changes, taking a 4-point hit. So this is how the team looks this weekend, with Sanchez in goal, Shaw, Alexander-Arnold and Tsimikas in defense, Benrahma, Son, Rafinha, Salah and Fernandes in the midfield, and Antonio and Tony up front. The 2 changes I've made is I've got Dane Scarlett for Harry Kane, getting the cheap 4.5 million bench option, and I've upgraded Billy Gilmore to Bruno Fernandes. Bruno Fernandes, I'll probably sticking with him for near about game week 6. After game week 6, I feel that I'll go for Romelu Lukaku, because then the Man United fixtures will start becoming a little difficult and Chelsea's fixtures will start becoming easy, and Romelu Lukaku at an attacking team like Chelsea would definitely be an FPL asset, so I'll definitely look to get Lukaku back in the team. And near about game week 11 or 12, I'll look for Harry Kane. Because I am more of a fixtures guy. I like go for players with easy fixtures. The only reason I went for Kane was because of his transfer rumor to Man City. Anyways, so this is how my team looks this week. It's Sanchez in goal, Shaw, Alexander-Arnold and Tsimikas in defense, Benrahma, Son, Rafinha, Salah and Fernandes in midfield, Tony and Antonio up front, Foster, Ben White, Scarlett and Johnson in the bench. So I hope it will be a good game week for me. I've captained Salah, but I can change the captainship. I can just captain Fernandes, because both of them have got good fixtures for this weekend. So that is it for today's video. So if you have liked this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel.